Hi, Worthio showing you how to reset your maintenance light, your service light, oil reset, etc. on your Volvo XC90. It's quite simple. All you have to do, you're going to use the stop start button and the decrease button on the cruise control. So what you're going to do, everything's off, press and hold the cruise control button, and as you're pressing and holding, turn the start button, keeping pressed the lower cruise control button, then start the vehicle, keep the finger pressed, and then an information light will start flashing at the bottom. Then I'm going to release and press again for about 3 seconds. Switch the vehicle off, start it back up, and you'll see the service has been reset. Easy as that. Bye.